Hello everyone, hope you're all doing alright. This is the beginning of a new series where we will be creating a small project. What you see in the background now is me modeling a few objects for this. We will cover across several videos modeling, materials, animations and VFX to have at the end a short animation. In this series, I'm not gonna go over the basics because we covered this in the previous one. For the sake of speed, I'm gonna work now using shortcuts, but to help you, you might notice on the bottom right hand corner of the 3D view a set of buttons which display which one I'm pressing on the mouse and which keyboard shortcut I'm using. For this, I have installed an add-on and I'm gonna show you how this works. An add-on is a piece of software that expands the possibilities offered by the software. You can find them in the menu Edit, Preferences, and then in the tab Addons. You can choose from one existing and already inside the software in this list, but you can also install an add-on from an external source. For this, click on Install and navigate to where your add-on is. I put this one on my desktop, so click on it and click on Install Add-on. You will then usually see the add-on and you can activate it by clicking on the checkbox beside. I can close this window. The add-on is now installed, and to activate it, I need to go in this window, in the add-on tab, and then click on Start. What you will see is this appearing on the bottom right side of the 3D view, and it will display every button I press or every key on my keyboard. I'm gonna move it slightly here and then close this menu by pressing the End button, as you can see here. For the rest of the lesson, I'm gonna keep on modeling the objects for our project, which is set in an Alchemist Workshop, a new way to import an image reference. Instead of using the menu Add, Image and Reference, is simply using a Windows Explorer and dragging an image to the 3D view, just like that. What I'm gonna do is try to introduce at least one new technique in each video. Today, we're gonna have a look at global and local transformations. What you will notice is that when you use keyboard shortcut, you can press the S key on your keyboard for scale and then choose an axis. On pressing the corresponding letter on your keyboard again, like the Z axis, and if I press a second time, you will notice on the top left corner, where before it was written the type of transformation like rotation or scale, then the value of the transformation, followed by the term global. Now it is written along local and then the axis. For this example, the D-axis. This allows me to have an object rotated at a certain angle, but still being able to scale it as if it was facing straight up, as you can see here. These videos are sped up about 4 times. It took me around, let's say something like 20 minutes to create all these objects. Again, they are done really simply by using as less object as possible and focusing only for the moment on their silhouettes. This is to give you a simple way to create objects, and then of course we will go deeper and deeper into complexity as we move forward. I'm almost done with this lesson, finishing up with the latest objects. So far we have a table, a stool, potion bottles, and a chair. Hope you like the lessons. Don't hesitate to leave comments on the video, and I will try to answer any questions. See you in the next video. Have a good time. Take care. Bye.